Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use the content aware fill using Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, duplicate our picture. And after that, select this polygonal lasso tool. And then select our object that we want to remove. And now go to edit and then select this fill and then make sure that it is in content aware and then click OK, and then that's it. Now press Ctrl D and then you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.